Hello everyone, this is MH Mubashir from the MNS department. I'll be teaching you Bioinformatics or BTC 509 for this semester. I'll be uploading around 22 tutorials for the course BTC 509, which all are related to either genomics or proteomics. Today is tutorial number 1. Within this tutorial, I'll be giving you a brief introduction to a server called NCBI. This server is very important whenever you want to retrieve a protein sequence or amino acid sequence of a protein. So let's go to it. If you want to go to the server NCBI, you have to Google NCBI, then press enter. And here we have the website, National Center for Biotechnology Information. Click here. After going to that server, you can search anything here in the search bar. Our today's purpose is to find out an amino acid sequence of a specific protein. To do that, we can do in two ways. One is, as we already know that we'll be searching an amino acid sequence for a specific protein, we can click here to all database and then we can select protein here. But for now, I'm keeping it as it is. So here, we'll be looking for a protein which is a rice protein named XA21. We'll try to figure out the sequence for this XA21 protein. Let's click on search. After clicking search option, you will have this kind of results. So for XA21, we have 1560 entry for the gene XA21 and we have around 17,891 proteins amino acid sequence, and we have also 3 structures. But for now we want to find out the amino acid sequence of this protein XA21, so click here. After clicking here, you will have this kind of results. As we already have a lot of results within this page, like you can see that we have a lot of results, and this is the first page of 895. You have to be very careful about the sequence. Either you are choosing the correct one or not. For me, I already know that this XA21 is known as receptor-like kinase protein. And then again, we can see that this is receptor-like kinase protein XA21. This is also receptor-like kinase protein XA21. This is of 1025 amino acid protein and this is of 1037 amino acid protein. But then again, for the third result, we can see that it is 121 amino acid protein, which is also receptor-like kinase protein XA21. But here we can see that the sequence is partial. And the species we are seeing here is not Oryza. I'm looking for a protein sequence which is from Oryza sativa. Here we can see that we have Oryza sativa, but this is a partial sequence. Then again, if I proceed forward, yes, we can see a sequence of Oryza, which is receptor-like kinase protein. But then again, I already know that this XA21 is of 1025 amino acid sequence protein. How come I know that? I know that by doing a bit research on XA21. So whenever you're trying to find out a sequence of a specific protein, you have to dig a bit further about that protein. So let's click here. So after clicking here, we can see that the name is here, the UniProt ID is this. I will upload another tutorial related to the UniProt server as well. So just remember the UniProt ID is this one. And we can see some information here as well. So to get the amino acid sequence of this XA21 protein, I have to click FASTA. So after clicking the FASTA, we will get the amino acid sequence for this protein. And as you can see it from here, this is not the amino acid sequence. This is just the introduction of this sequence. The main sequence starts from here, from M, and this is one letter amino acid code for this protein. So you can copy this FASTA sequence and then paste it to a Word file. You can copy only the sequence, or even you can copy the entire thing as well. We will do a lot of other studies like secondary structure analysis, tertiary structure analysis, primary structure analysis from this sequence. And I'll be uploading those tutorials soon. So for now, this is tutorial 1. We know how to retrieve a sequence or amino acid sequence or FASTA sequence of a protein from the NCBI server. Thank you everyone.